Hey everyone, welcome to another HowTech video tutorial. In this video we'll be showing you how to create a table of contents in Google Docs. A table of contents lists the main headings and sections of your paper, usually at the beginning after the cover page. If your paper would benefit from a table of contents or if it's required, then this video will show you how to easily create one. Let's go ahead and create a table of contents in this document. Let's first create a new page here by clicking at the start and pressing Ctrl-Enter to create a page break. Click Insert at the top and choose Table of Contents with page numbers. Nothing shows up here because we've not told Google Docs what headings to use. Select each heading and click Format, Paragraph Styles, Apply Heading 1. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl-Alt-1. If you don't like how the heading looks, edit it and click Format, Paragraph Styles, Update Heading 1 to match. Apply Heading 1 to the rest of the headings. Scroll back up to the table of contents and click the placeholder text and then the refresh icon. You now have a quick and easy table of contents with page numbers. What other time savers do you use in Google Docs? Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.